A little fighter.
Decent size, that's the last one. Just trying to shake that hook.
Drag's too tight.
Here, get him out, because I got to get your bottle. Yeah, he's a nice one.
Ah, shit. I got him.
You scamming it?
Fish on. Shit, I wonder if he's on it. Or he's coming towards me.
Yeah. Keep the tip of the pole up.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to move over to you.
Oh, he's a good one, Rich.
Yeah, he's staying down deep. Did you dip that bait?
Yeah. Yeah.
Your drag's too tight, man.
He's pulling it.
Is he? Oh, it's just silent. Okay. Keep the tip of the pole.
You hear my drag? It's giving.
Good, okay, as long as it's given when he pulls. Yeah, he's going to be a good size one. This is going to be better than the other one.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Lost him.
No, he's on there. I thought I lost him. I think he came towards me.
Oh, he's going to be good. He goes under the dock, that's all right. Yeah, Jim, he might be a clunker.
Gotta tighten the drag, man.
Yeah, the big ones like going under this dock. That's okay. You got a treble on there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's a good one, Jim. That's about 2 pounds. 3 pounds. That's a clunker. Keep the tip of the pole up.
Yeah, it's up.
We'll never get tired. Oh, Jim, you got a 5 pounder there.
Back up. Just walk back.
Got that ass. Woo-hoo! That's
Nice
a clunker,
one.
Jim. Look at the size of that one. Damn. That's about 5 pounds. That's a 5 pounder.
Nice fish there.
Dang, Raiders are beating the Niners.
Damn. It was a hell of a good hit.
Oh, you see the size of that motherfucker?
Yeah. That's the second time it jumped, man.
Damn. GoPro on it?
GoPro's on.
All right, Jim. Tell everybody I got I think an 8 pounder on this motherfucker.
Rich got a big one, man. It's
He
on.
jumped twice as soon as he bit the hook.
It's a good day. Watch the water. It's probably going to jump again.
Damn, Jim. That fucker broke water. Excuse the language. Just getting a little wow.
We didn't get that on video, but it did break water.
Yeah. Oh, shit. I hope he's so good. Remember, net the head.
Yeah.
Right? He's going to jump. Wow, you see him right there at the top?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I think this might be the biggest one I've ever had. Jim, he's a 10 pounder. Oh, look at the size of that beautiful fish.
Yeah. There it is. It's running.
He's going to jump.
How are you on this pole, man?
We're good. I want this fucker to get tired, man. Wow. I gotta bring this one in.
Big boy fish in here.
See him right there, Jim?
Yeah.
Oh shit, he's gonna jump.
He dived.
Come on, mama. He didn't get that big for being stupid, man. He's under.
This is why we're here. I guess we can put those fish stories to rest, huh?
Yeah, he ain't in. You know what Renee said.
Oh.
He ain't in until you bring him up
Okay.
to the dock. He ain't in until he gets in the cooler. Wow.
that
want to
fat.
bring him in too. I don't want to bring him in too tight because it's light leader, Jim.
Yeah.
I got 6 pound test. Wow. You got enough video on that?
Yeah, I'm filming you right now.
All right, how about the Army cap? Can I get it?
There you go. Army cap in.
That's Cooper, man. Eugene. Ain't no faking.
It's a clunker.
Yeah, he wants me. He wants to snap his line, man. Come on, man. Just fucking run and get tired. There he is. All right, Jim.
There you
get the
go.
net.
Oh, he's running.
He ain't ready yet.
Not cooperating.
He's coming up. He's coming up.
He's filleting this one into salmon steaks.
He's going out. Yeah, he looks like a salmon. Come
That's
on,
a
there
pretty
he goes.
fish.
Get that net. He's still going back down. I want to get him so he just gets tired at the top. Oh, he's going down.
There's Rich in action.
Well, this is the longest I've ever fought with a trout. Hey, Jim, he's near the top. I can see my leader. There he is. Move back up, move back up.
I can't see the fucking glare.
Just don't hit the line with the net.
No.
I'm backing up. Come on, he's coming up. Oh, dang, he's smart, man. He doesn't want to face that net.
Can you guys see that? Rich.
Wow, that's a 10-pound trout,
Rich.
dude.
You guys see that?
Wow, look at the beautiful color on him, man. Dang.
Don't drop them.
You got the GoPro on?
Yeah. I haven't turned it off. We got to get one of those fish holders. You know how they grip the mouth?
Like Lane doing a good job here.
There it is, folks. There it is. No more fish stories.
All right, buddy. Let's get him in there.
All right. Me and Rich out here at Shadow Cliffs. Battle of the Bay fishing tournament. You see our Raiders San Francisco 49er chairs. Raiders were up 2-zip, but Rich came back with a clunker, as you will see in the video.
And we got the 2-point conversion also, baby. Go Niners.
Yeah, ain't no stopping us now.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think so. Yeah, it's on. All right, fish on. Whoa.
Oh, you got my line.
Tangling the line up.
It's all right. He'll come on.
Whoa, it's pulling the drag.
Let him run.
He's got both lines.
That's all right.
There he is.
He's got one line.
Whoa.
Yeah, he's
All
good.
right. This is a good fishing day here. Let's hope I can land this one.
Yeah, he's about the size of your last one, Jim.
Yeah.
Like 2.5 pounder.
Doesn't want to come in.
Go between the lines if you can. No, that's good.
All right. Number 3 for me, but I think Rich's fish Weighs more than all three of mine combined. I think Rich got fish on.
Oh man, let's take it easy.
That line's tight, man. I'm telling you, there's snags down there, so.
Yeah, he's on it. The line's moving. He's swimming with you. You got to go, Jim?
Got it on.
Let's see, man. He was swimming with the line, but yeah, he's a good one. Oh, look at that, Jim. Look at how fast he is, man. You see how fast he's swimming?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Come on. Dang, man, the big boys are out today. Yeah, we might want to bring in that. No, we're good. Wow, dude. He has not broken. He's staying down.
All right.
Get that bobber. Oh, Jim. Jim, look at the size of him. Another 10-pounder. Dang. Did you see that, Jim?
Yeah.
That looks like a salmon, folks. He might be bigger than the other one.
49ers just made it a 1-point game.
He might be bigger than the other one. He's tired. He is tired. Coming up. Coming up. Just don't hit the line. I'll try to guide him into you. He's still pulling. Oh man, he might be a little smaller.
It's the day at Shadow Cliffs here.
Can we get a still photo of this one?
Yeah, let me get my phone. Need the gloves, pliers?
Just no, I'll just bring that net in.
Gonna add this one to the collection. This must be about 20 pounds worth of fish here. Now it's over 25.
This one's beautiful. Don't forget to close that, man. I remember one time I left
Look at
it
that.
open.
You guys see that?